Well, welcome back. We're back live here, right from outside, right up opposite, in fact, the bandstand area. It's a lovely view of the sea and also of all the walkers as they wave past and walk past. This is, in fact, the latter half of that entire gamut of people who have embarked on the 5-kilometer walk. These are those who could not make their way up front, and they had to wait till the time they could get to the start point, and then they have started. They've all set their pace. It's a relaxed pace. It's a walk for health. It's not a competition. It's not a race, and they realize that. Look at the spirit. They're enjoying themselves. Great, fabulous. This is all groups. I had spoken to a few of the groups a short while ago, and these are some more of the people. And it's great that the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, along with the local authorities here, have cooperated. They have tried to break this cordon off one portion of the road for all the walkers, and the motorists are also showing their patience and also appreciating the effort, the initiative taken by Max Bupa in this walk for health. They're also making sure that the little bit of inconvenience that the motorists are facing, they don't mind it. It's a good Sunday morning, and it's the Mumbai spirit that's coming forth. There you go. More people, people from all walks of life, all ages. The youngest I have met today so far is 3-month-old Aika, who's come with her parents. She enjoys to walk as she's being held very close to her father, and that's how they're planning to walk. Not the 2 kilometers, mind you. They're planning to walk the 5-kilometer walk. That's what they're doing. And there you go. There's another group that's coming just to the far side. They're all dressed, color coordinated in yellow, and they're all going to walk together. And more people walking by from all walks of life, and it's a 5-kilometer course around some of the most scenic parts of the suburb of Mumbai, that is Bandra. We started from the Bandra Fort. It's beautiful there. The early mornings, see the fresh air. It's just phenomenal. And they walk all the way along the seaside on through Bandstand. They cut across from the St Andrew's Church, make their way towards Carter Road, then get on to Turner Road, take a U-turn, and then walk back, make their way back from where they all started. That is the Bandra Fort. That is the finish line, both for the 5-kilometer and the 2-kilometer. Sonam Kapoor flagging off the race just a short while ago, and there you see another group of people, and it's still coming. It's still coming. There are people, I'm given to understand, who's still waiting to start, because they have to follow the rest. So it's a huge turnout. It's a phenomenal turnout that has made its way as far as Mumbai is concerned. It's a phenomenal turnout, and there you see Dalip Tahil and Piyush Pandey also walking with this group. Whether they complete the 2-kilometer or the 5-kilometer, we'll wait and watch. There you go. That's this entire group. Guys, so that's a huge group that's walking together. They've registered together and walking along. And there you go, spot them in the crowd. They are walking, Dalip and Piyush. That's nice, fabulous. So true to their word, they are going about with their walk and completing their walk. So it's just phenomenal. That's the ambulance, just in case somebody picks up an issue in terms of the health. And we'll go across and go to Griha and check what's happening in Delhi. How's Delhi doing with their 5-kilometer? It should be more than halfway stage, isn't it, for the 5-kilometer walk in Delhi, Griha?
Well, it has been quite a turnout over here. Early Sunday morning in Delhi, people have been here. They are already around, all set to walk for health. They're already, you're right, they're through the half mark, and they're all set to get back here. Back to the stadium, back to the Zumba routine. It's all good over here.
Okay, well, what's happening here is very interesting. The 5-kilometer walkers, not just at the halfway point, but as you can see, many of them are actually making their way back. We're just about 400 meters or so from the start-finish line, and these people are already here. I'm going to ask some of them if they actually walked all the way, or did they in fact start running, because they have made very, very good time indeed. Let's talk to some of these people here. Hi, have you just completed the 5K walk or the 2K one? That's very, very good timing for the 5K walk. Did you run all the way?
No, we actually began a little fast.
Okay, well, go on to the finish line then. So as you can see here, some people admitting to the fact that they began a little fast, which I think essentially means that they did start running, because this is very, very good timing indeed for the 5K walk. We're going to talk to a few more of these people just as they're coming in. Let's find out if they've in fact walked the entire way or they have in fact ran the entire way. Let's talk to this person here who's running. Just a minute, can we have a word with you? Did you run all the way?
Yeah, no.
You know you were supposed to walk?
Walking.
I just saw you running. But anyway, good timing, well done. So certainly one can see over here that people have been running, and They're just trying to beat a certain time in their own minds. Now, we must assume, of course, that these are people who are used to running or walking every day, which is why they've been able to go out there and run the entire 5 kilometers. So we are just about getting ready to, in fact, start closing down the first walk of the day. Let's find out what's happening with Anand in Mumbai.
Left. Well, what I've done is I've just gotten on to one of our mobile jeeps so that I can keep pace with these walkers. Tina, it's absolutely fantastic. What I've done is I've got onto one of the mobile jeeps of the Times Now crew who've been doing a phenomenal job bringing this live broadcast to all our viewers so that I can get a sense of the entire number of people who have turned out here in Mumbai. If you turn around, I'm going to ask Rajesh Khare to turn around and show you the visuals. Far down till where my eye can see, there are people who are walking because it's the road that's been cordoned off. The left hand side of the road has been cordoned off, and people are walking. They've set their own pace, but they are enjoying themselves. And as I sit right behind me, there's still people who have just started. I'm just about like 500 meters away from the start point, and you can see there's still people walking. We just about can see the tail of this entire Max Bupa Walk for Health, the entire contingent of more than about 8,000 people here in Mumbai. It's just phenomenal here. The spirit is amazing. The weather is nice. It's a little sunny. It's humid because we are right by the seaside, but the view is fabulous. And the spirit is equally amazing of the people. People from all walks of life. They've just, they're not even, they've just gotten up. And like they say, walking is the most cost-effective form of fitness. And you can see that, women, housewives, you have businessmen, you have entrepreneurs, you have kids, you have, older people, retired veterans who have made it a point to stay fit in their life, and they believe this is the best form of exercise. I just was chatting with another gentleman who's about 75 years old. He's just come back from abroad, and he said that I saw this initiative. I wanted to be a part of it because I've enjoyed walking all through my life. So that's how it is. As people continue to walk, and I'm at the junction where I will also be meeting the return of the people, because the 5 kilometer and the 2 kilometer walkers will be coming back and joining us at this very junction. So what we're going to do is wait for them and obviously stand down and catch up with them and speak to them. I'm going to try and get down and speak to some of the people who are passing me by in just a bit, but for the moment it's back to you in the studio.
Okay, well, I'm taking over from here, Anand. I'm here in Delhi, of course, and as we've been showing you, there are people here who are already finishing the 5 kilometer race. So even as you tell us that in Mumbai, people are still starting the 5K race, here there are massive bunches of people who are already on their way back. So we're going to talk to some of them, find out if they've done the entire route, if they've walked or run the entire way, because they've made very, very good time indeed. They're already coming towards the finish line. Hi, can we just talk to you for a second, all of you? Have you walked the entire way?
Yeah, I walked the entire kilometers.
That's very good timing for 5 kilometers.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And I appeal to all the people in Delhi and outside Delhi also that they should look after their health, because health, as long as it is there, we take it for granted. When it is not there, it becomes very difficult. So that's my appeal and request to all the countrymen.
Okay, well, thank you very much. And please go on to the finish line. So, yes, certainly we are seeing people here who are...
After a good walk, Manish, right?
Yes, absolutely. I enjoyed being here, obviously, being in Delhi and walking with the Delhiites. I think I love the energy everybody has here.
Delhi looks beautiful on a Sunday morning, with less of traffic. You're there, you can take in the atmosphere.
Yes, absolutely. And there's a little nip in the air, which is making me feel very good. So I'm not really feeling hot in that also. So it feels good, yeah.
And talking about the film, Mickey Virus coming up, and the fact that you get to promote it while walking.
I think that's the best thing I've done here, because I think so many people have gathered here, and everybody has been looking at my t-shirt, and thankfully they all know about the film. So I just hope that all of these people, while walking, they should just walk to a theatre near them and watch the film also.
We see the crowd behind you, so many people out here to walk for health and also for you. So
yeah, I think that feels great. Yeah, being a Delhiite, I've been brought up in Delhi. I never imagined this day will come, but I obviously feel really excited about this.
And talk about walking as opposed to running, Manish. What would
I think walking is very good. I think that's good because a lot of people here, they had an idea that we should jog, we should run all the time. But it's nice to see everybody walking nicely, calmly. I think nice composure everybody had here. Relaxed, enjoying, chit-chatting, talking and walking.
And what do you have to say about the whole association, the fact that we are into the second year of Walkathon and it's only growing?
I think it's great Max Bupa has done that, and I think this is the second year, and I really wish and pray that it goes on for years, so that everybody should feel healthy, stay fit and get into fitness.
How would Mickey Virus go ahead and in your own style, what would he say to the whole, Walkathon?
Well, Walkathon को मैं यही कहूँगा, I have a dialogue in the film कि किसी भी आलसी आदमी को एक मुश्किल काम दो ना, तो वो कोई ना कोई आसान तरीका ढूंढ ही लेता है उसे करने का। इसका इससे आसान तरीका नहीं है. Simply walk, stay fit.
All right, Manish, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Okay, so we just had Griha there talking to Manish Paul. He's, of course, a Delhi boy, very excited to be here today endorsing this event. We are now actually making our way back to the finish line, which is the same as the starting line. Let me just once again take you through the route. In Delhi. We are right here on the Mathura Road, which is one of the most arterial roads of the capital. It's absolutely bang in the center of the national capital. We started at the Major Dhyan Chand Stadium, which is an iconic stadium, of course, here in New Delhi. That's the start and the finish line, and we've seen the 10,000 people, that's right, 10,000 and more people that registered here in Delhi. They are the ones who've been making their way out of the Dhyan Chand Stadium, down this Mathura Road, onto the Oberoi flyover, and they've taken a U-turn from there and come back. That's for the 2-kilometer route. And the 5-kilometer route, of course, it takes an entire detour towards the Delhi Golf Club, going past the golfing greens and then coming back onto the Mathura Road. What we are seeing, though, is that people have made very, very good time indeed. Remember, we did fly off at about 7:45, and considering that the people who've walked the entire 5 kilometers and are already making their way back to the finish line, they've done very well. A lot of regular walkers here. Let's actually talk to some of these people. Can we talk to some of you, please? Did you walk the entire way?
Yes, definitely.
You've done the 5-kilometer or the 2-kilometer?
5 kilometers.
Are you a regular walker?
No, I'm in defense, so I keep walking, I keep fit.
Okay, that's great. So why have you participated in this event today?
I was on leave. I thought I must do something different. That's why.
Okay, wonderful. Great to see you go on to the finish line. So yes, lots of people here already coming back towards the finish line, and we do expect that people who participated in the 2-kilometer walk will also be coming back here very, very soon. So we'll keep a track on that. We'll tell you what's happening both here in Delhi and in Mumbai. Right now, let's take a very short break, but don't go anywhere because we'll be right back.